Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make super healthy and delicious Beetroot Badam Halwa. So let's get started. For making a Beetroot Badam Halwa, here in a non-stick pan, I am adding 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. You can also use clarified butter. Heat it nicely, and then to that I'm adding chopped almonds. If you want, then you can also use ready-made almond flakes. Now we are going to roast it on medium-high flame until it's nice and crispy. After that, remove the almonds. And now in the same ghee, I am adding 200 grams of grated beetroot. Here I've taken 2 large size beetroots and I've grated it with the help of a grater. If you don't want to grate it, then you can also coarsely grind it in mixture. Make sure you don't add water and don't grind it into pulp. It has to be coarse. That also works just fine. Now saute it well with the ghee so that all the excess water is dried out. If you are new here, then consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will be notified every time I post a new video. And after that, I am adding 1 cup of milk. This is around 100 ml. Now we'll combine milk and the grated beetroot together. Look at the beautiful color. This color itself deserves a like, so hit that like button. Packed with nutrients and fiber, beetroot is a perfect energy booster and also reduces blood pressure. After giving it one final stir, I'm going to cover it with lid and let this cook on low flame for at least 5 minutes or until our beetroot is nicely cooked from inside. After a few minutes, you can see that the beetroot is nicely cooked, but it has a lot of water content which has seeped out now. So we are going to cook it on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes or until our water is completely dried out. You may have tried gajar ka halwa several times, but this winter do try this beetroot ka halwa. I'm sure you are going to love this. And also don't forget to check out my gajar ki kheer recipe. It has recently crossed 2000 views, so do check that out as well. The link is in the description below, also at the end of the video. After a few minutes of mixing, you can see that the milk has completely mixed with the beetroot and the water content has almost evaporated. So now give it one final stir, and to that we'll add around a cup of sugar. You can increase or decrease the proportion of sugar as per your liking or as per the sweetness of your beetroot. Incorporate all the sugar well with the beetroot and let it cook for a while. As you can see that the sugar is completely dissolved and started to caramelize, giving our beetroot halwa a beautiful color. If you know what color it is, then let me know in the comment section. I think it's old rose. What do you think? And to enhance the flavor, here I am adding a pinch of cardamom powder. Also add in the roasted almonds that we had prepared earlier. And now combine it all together. If you like this video so far, then don't forget to hit that like button. Also let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite winter recipe. After a few minutes of mixing, you will notice that the halwa has started to leave the edges and it's also holding its shape, so means it's done cooking. And a hot and healthy Beetroot Badam Halwa is ready to be served. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. I come up with new videos every Sunday. Until we meet next time, keep munching! Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram. Link is in the description below. Bye.